it delightful to see our favorite stars going all smiles for the shutterbugs, especially if love is in the air. The latest sensational couple in town made an appearance together and we can't stop gushing. Ishan Khattar and Janhvi Kapoor were spotted at an event called Social for Good hosted by Facebook. Apparently, these two were there to represent the first generation at the event. The sensational actress Janhvi looked ravishing in a pink checkered dress suit. Neatly tied hair gave her look a classy appearance. This fashionista has already made her place in the fashion world. While Ishan chose grey distressed jeans with boots, his light pink jacket added a twist of color to his look. Having won our hearts with those killer dance moves and some serious acting skills, Ishan is one of the most loved new entrants in the B-town. Well, together or not, looking at these two definitely give us major relationship goals. For more updates, stay tuned with ETV Bharat.
सुर्ख वाला सोज वाला फैज वाला लव